What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're gonna be installing a strut bar on the Z3. We just picked it up yesterday. It was a long drive, but I got it for a good price. It's brand new. So this is gonna go right here. It's gonna look nice. And on top of that, as you guys know, I take my car to the mountains often, and I want it to be a little stiffer and handle a little better. Not that I'm trying to achieve better times, but it's gonna make the riding experience better. So we're gonna do that in a few minutes, and we're gonna take it on a drive. I'm gonna let you guys know how I drive. But we did something more interesting. We went out yesterday, drove 2 hours, and we picked this up. A 1997 2.8 liter engine Z3. It's a 5-speed, has a LSD. Now we have two of the same cars, which is always fun. We're actually going to a Z meet, SoCal Z's. It's gonna be a good time. We're taking both the Z's. But first, let's install the strut bar and see how quick that is. Alright guys, so we just took the 3 bolts of the strut towers. Super simple, it just goes in like that. And
that's it.
I think it bends a little, sits in place. We just put the 3 nuts on and it's ready to go. Alright guys, so this legit took like 2 minutes. And there was nothing to really film here other than us putting it on. This is how it looks. I'm not a big fan of black and red. I'm gonna change the color soon. It's gonna be more than likely black, so it goes with the engine bay. But it was super simple. We're gonna get the cars ready, heat it up. We're gonna check the oil, check the coolant, and then we're gonna drive 20 minutes. We're gonna meet other like 10 Z3s, hopefully. And then we're gonna head to Big Bear. We're almost ready to head out, guys. I'm just checking everything, doing all the last minute little things.
Mirror, man, mirror on the wall.
So the mirror actually flew out yesterday. We caught it doing 60. But yeah guys, we're taking care of some last minute little fixes. Gonna top up the fluids and we're ready to go. This car actually died yesterday. It's not starting up. It's definitely the battery. We'll take care of that later. But here's my Z3. Here's Olive's Z3. Cold start. The intake boot is kind of ripped, so this car started off kind of funny when we went and looked at it. Let's see if it starts out right now. Oh yeah. Started right up. This old BMWs, man. Oh, there it goes. I spoke too soon.
But it's way less than different. When we bought it, it was like crazy going on. But as you can see, right here, look. So the foot's right here is ripped, and also the little pipe for the smog. This little pipe right there is also ripped. So the foot and the pipe needs to be replaced, and then the vacuum should be sealed. Other than that, there is no other vacuum.
Oh, there you go, guys. It's idling fine now. It just does it and goes away. Yeah guys, it's old BMWs. Yeah, the plastic cracks, this and that, oil leaks, but after some maintenance, this cars run, man. They run for a long time too. Pulled up, nice turnout. Look at all the beautiful Z's just sparked up. Alright guys, we're gonna head out soon. Bunch of nice people here, mostly older gentlemen, and yeah, just gonna cruise and go slow. We don't want to scare anyone. Man, look at this view. This little Z3 is just cruising down the road. Looks nice and calm. Few shops here and there. You know, nothing fancy. We're still climbing, guys. We're still climbing. Everyone's cruising, nice and chill. I'm like in the middle. Alright guys, we're at Big Bear. It was a fun little drive up here. Let's go check out that car. This guy said he won this for 22 bucks at a lottery. The paint looks brand new. Like literally, guys. Just look at that. Very nice interior. Red and black combo. That looks so clean. I need one of those. Yeah. So 2.5 or 2.8 right there. We have a few newer Z4s, some older Z4s, first gens. One right here. That looks nice, guys, side by side. Just finished eating. We're gonna probably explore the city and head down soon. Right, this is how the cars look sitting. A little crusty compared to other people's cars here, but it's alright. Alright guys, so the group broke off. It's just me and my homie now. Now we're going downhill. I'm gonna put the strut bar to test and I'm gonna let you guys know how it feels and if it's worth it. Alright guys, so my initial observations are that it does make the front end stiffer. I don't know by what percentage, but it definitely makes it stiffer. And the car goes around the corner more willingly. So yes, it does make a difference. If it's worth it for 200 bucks, you can get some for $100 too. Let's say you get one for 150, which is in the middle. It's worth it because handling is like half of your driving experience. So a car that handles better is going to be a better experience overall. So if you're thinking about it or on the fence about spending that money, go for it. I feel like, especially if your car is older or it's a convertible, your chassis is gonna benefit from the added stiffness. Newer cars, I don't know, a lot of newer cars already come with braces, so definitely not required. Like I said, older cars and convertibles will definitely benefit from this mod. So yeah guys, that's a thumbs up from me. I hope you guys enjoyed the entire video. It's a little different this time. I came on a little cruise with some new people with the Z's. It was pretty cool. I loved meeting each and every one of them. They were all really kind people, friendly. Well yeah guys, thank you for watching. I'm gonna try to be more frequent with my uploads. And yeah, thank you guys. I appreciate all of you. Thank you for watching, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video.